Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to talk to you about Lotus Botanical Vitamin C Face Serum. So let's just start with the video already. But if you're new here, you're seeing me for the first time, this is me, Kirti. Take a second to subscribe to my channel and join to our YouTube family. Let's get started. So this is the packaging in which the product comes in. This is the box, and inside there is a bottle. One second, let me just open this up for you. So they have like carefully wrapped it in another cardboard paper, and this is how the product looks like. So it comes in a bottle. It has a pump. Let me just read out to you what it is mentioned here on the box. It is Lotus Botanical Vitamin C Skin Brightening Face Serum. It boosts radiance and helps reduce pigmentation. Now they have said that it has no preservatives and it has no toxic chemicals, and it is safe for all skin types. It suits all skin type. Also, it is mentioned that it is silicone free, non-comedogenic and anti-pollution. Now this product is paraben free. It balances your pH. It is mineral oil free, and it is 100% vegan. It is cruelty free. That means no animals were harmed in process of making it, and also it is recyclable. Now let me tell you the MRP of this product. Now this product retails for 745 rupees, and it gives you 30 grams of product. Now let me show you how the texture is. It is very easy to use because they have given you pump, so it is travel friendly, and also it gives you like control of how much amount of product you want to use, and also it is hygienic because you don't have to, if it is a tub, you have to put your finger in it and like that. So it is very hygienic. So I'm just gonna take 2 pumps on my back of my hand. I'm just gonna show you how this product looks like and the texture of the product. So you can see that it is very lightweight. Can you see? It is very lightweight and it gets absorbed in your skin very easily. So now this 2 pumps is enough for your entire face and neck. Now talking about its fragrance, it has a very mild fragrance. It is a very soothing fragrance. I'm not sure of what it is, but it is very nice. Now they have given you guidelines of how to use this product. तो ये product use कैसे करना है? Apply a pea size of amount of serum on your face and neck. Gently massage to ensure even distribution. Follow with vitamin C brightening day care cream for better results. So you can fit in this serum in your skincare routine very easily. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night, whatever you're comfortable with. It is totally up to you. Although you have to be careful that if you're using it in the day, you have to team it up with sunscreen, because vitamin C will tend to react with sun, I mean the UV rays, right? तो अगर आप इसे सुबह में यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो follow it up with a good sunscreen. That's about it. तो अगर आप इसे रेगुलरली यूज़ करेंगे और अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आप नोटिस करेंगे कि आपके स्किन में एक बहुत ही प्यारा ग्लो आएगा, एक हेल्दी ग्लो आएगा. ये आपका अनइवन स्किन टोन में आपको हेल्प करेगा इसको इवन आउट करने में. अगर आपके स्किन में डलनेस है तो भी आप इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स फाइट एजिंग. सो इट इज़ लाइक अ टोटल पैकेज. हमेशा मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि मुझे इसके की फीचर्स कौन से अच्छे लगे. ये केमिकल फ्री है, तो आप इसे बिना सोचे बिना टेंशन ले आपके स्किन केयर में ऐड कर सकते हैं. आप इसे सुबह यूज़ कर सकते हैं, शाम को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि एक सेरम है तो कैसे यूज़ करना है. इट इज़ वेरी ईजी टू फिट इन टू योर स्किन केयर रूटीन. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ प्लस पॉइंट. ये इसका जो पैकेजिंग है, इट इज़ ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. इसके पंप के साथ आता है, सो इट इज़ हाइजेनिक. That is also something that I liked about it. Also, it is very effective. Once you start using it regularly, you will notice a visible glow on your skin. So big thumbs up for Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Serum from my end. If you have already used this product, do comment in the comment section and let me know your experience. If there are any more products you want me to review, please come and comment in the comment section so that I can try and review them for you. So today's video, let's end it here. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care all of you. I love you all. Bye.